Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best paracord is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can have in your survival kit, outdoor gear, or even for everyday carry, offering incredible strength and utility in a compact package that can be used for everything from setting up a shelter and creating fishing lines to repairing gear and crafting essential survival tools, making it an absolute must-have for any adventurer or prepper. Number 5. Paracord Outdoor Gear Projects by Fox Chapel Publishing. Discover the ultimate guide to paracord crafting. Learn to create essential survival gear with simple, step-by-step instructions. Master the art of making durable survival bracelets. These projects are perfect for camping, hiking, or everyday preparedness. Elevate your everyday carry with stylish and functional paracord accessories. We'll show you how to craft easy lanyards and keychains. Explore 12 unique rope crafting ideas using versatile parachute cord. From practical tools to decorative items, there's something for everyone. Equip yourself for any adventure with these DIY paracord projects. They are designed for durability and ease of creation, ensuring you're always prepared. Start creating your own essential outdoor gear with this comprehensive guide. It's the perfect addition to any DIY enthusiast's collection. What we like. This guide is perfect for newcomers to paracord crafting. It offers a gentle introduction with 12 easy projects. If you are looking for a straightforward way to learn basic knots and create simple items like lanyards and keychains, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. It is a good quality paracord. The paracord is strong and durable. It is easy to work with and holds knots well. Number 4. Paracord projects for camping and outdoor survival. Discover the incredible versatility of paracord. This essential tool can be a lifesaver in any outdoor adventure. Learn practical and essential uses for this ultimate tool. It's a must-have for any camping or survival situation. Explore 7 different ways to conveniently carry your paracord. Always be prepared with this adaptable resource. Unlock a world of possibilities with 60 ingenious ways to utilize your paracord. From repairs to building shelters, the applications are endless. This guide provides the knowledge you need to make the most of your paracord. It's the perfect companion for any outdoor enthusiast. Elevate your outdoor experience with the power of paracord. Master its many uses and be ready for anything nature throws your way. What we like. This book emphasizes the survival aspects of paracord. It details 60 ways to use your cordage, making it invaluable for outdoor enthusiasts. If you are a camper or hiker who wants to maximize the utility of paracord as an essential survival tool, this resource is for you. What people say. The paracord is strong and durable, perfect for various outdoor activities and survival situations. It's easy to work with, making it great for crafting projects like bracelets and keychains. The variety of colors available allows for creative and personalized designs. Number 3. Totally awesome paracord crafts. Discover the art of paracord crafting with this exciting collection of projects. You'll learn to create amazing items using simple, step-by-step instructions. This book is packed with quick and simple projects that anyone can do. Perfect for beginners looking to dive into the world of paracord. Master the skill of making essential survival bracelets and other practical items. These designs are not only functional but also stylish. Follow along with clear, step-by-step instructions designed for ease of understanding. We make complex techniques simple to follow. Enhance your crafting experience with valuable tips and tricks. Learn insider secrets to make your paracord creations even better. Brought to you by Design Originals, this guide ensures quality and creativity. Get ready to transform ordinary cord into extraordinary crafts. What we like. Looking for fast and fun paracord creations? This book provides step-by-step instructions for a variety of projects, including survival bracelets. If you enjoy crafting quickly and appreciate helpful tips to enhance your skills, this is a great choice for easy DIY fun. What people say. This paracord is strong and durable, perfect for all your outdoor adventures. The variety of colors available allows for creative and personalized projects. It's easy to work with, whether you're braiding bracelets or building shelters. Number 2. Paracord and Kumihimo projects, 12 tutorials. Discover the art of Paracord and Kumihimo with 12 easy-to-follow tutorials. Learn to create beautiful and functional accessories. This collection offers 12 distinct projects, guiding you from beginner to advanced techniques. You'll be crafting impressive items in no time. Explore a variety of projects, including practical leads and stylish collars. These tutorials cover a wide range of creative possibilities. Unleash your inner crafter with these engaging projects. It's a perfect way to learn new skills and make unique gifts or personal items. Designed for everyone, these tutorials break down complex techniques into simple steps. You don't need prior experience to get started and succeed. Create durable and stylish accessories that are built to last. These projects combine functionality with aesthetic appeal, making them perfect for everyday use. What we like. This resource specifically targets the creation of pet accessories. With 12 easy tutorials focused on leads and collars, and even incorporating Kumihimo techniques, it's ideal for pet owners who love DIY. If you want to craft personalized and durable gear for your furry friends, this is the perfect guide. What people say. This paracord is strong and durable, perfect for outdoor activities like camping and hiking. The variety of colors available allows for creative projects and customization. It's easy to work with, whether you're braiding bracelets or creating survival gear. Number 1. Paracord Outdoor Gear DIY Craft Book and Kit. Discover the versatile world of paracord crafting with this comprehensive book and kit. Learn essential knots and techniques to create useful items for your outdoor adventures. This guide provides expert advice on knots, fusing, and the best tools and materials to use. You'll gain the skills needed to tackle any paracord project with confidence. Follow along with detailed instructions and clear, step-by-step photos. We make it easy to learn and create, ensuring successful projects every time. Craft survival bracelets that can be quickly disassembled to provide emergency cord when you need it most. Be prepared for any situation with these practical creations. Make practical gear perfect for camping, hiking, and all your outdoor activities. These creations are designed to be both functional and stylish. With 12 simple projects, you can create lanyards, straps, handle wraps, keychains, and more. Start building your own custom outdoor accessories today. What we like. This option stands out by including a crafting kit, making it incredibly convenient. It focuses on practical outdoor gear like survival bracelets and handle wraps, with detailed photos to guide you. If you want a complete package to start making useful outdoor items immediately, this is the best option. What people say. This paracord is strong and durable, perfect for outdoor activities like camping and hiking. The variety of colors available allows for creative and personalized paracord projects. It's easy to work with, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced crafters. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.